All right, first things first. Hope you had a good 3-day weekend. We got to work this week, right? First of all, Rangers won, undefeated in the playoffs. It's Ranger season, all right? That's all I know. Don't talk about anything else. Now, what's due? Everything is due, all right? Anything in Skyward that has been put into Skyward is due, for sure, okay? So that means all assignments, you can check Skyward for your grade, but guess what I gave you just now? You grabbed it on the way in, hopefully. Your grade sheet, right? I printed out for you so you can see it. That way, if you don't have a phone, you can at least see it. Now look, when is the end of the grading period? Friday, which is also the 13th. Spooky. And it's October. Wow, that's crazy, you know? All right, so all assignments are due by Friday the 13th, all right? Now, right now we have a frozen floor. Look, frozen floor means, what does it mean? Your grade cannot go down. So look at your grade sheet right now. If you do nothing, that's your grade for the 9 weeks. Maybe you're happy, maybe you're not. But guess what? I gave you the gift of time, okay? Imagine if that was Friday and you were like, oh no. So imagine you had a time machine and you went back, and now you got time. You got time to work on your grade. You have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, these 4 days this week to take that grade and do this. Look, bring your grades up, right? What's up? Oh, yeah, pumpkins on the wall, right? Now look, your grade cannot go down, but some of us need to bring it up, okay? So let's talk about this warm-up real quick, and then we'll talk about this week. Now look, did everyone do the warm-up? Did you grab a compass and a ruler? Because all week, guess what you're going to be using? A compass and a ruler. Now, keep looking at me, not at anything else, not your phone. Look, hey, look over here. With your compass, if you can hold it like this and it doesn't like open up, that's good. But if it opens up and it's too loose, I have a little screwdriver. You might need to tighten it up, okay? Because if it moves too much, it's not going to make a good circle, okay? So if you need this, it's right here. If you want to tighten it up, that's great, okay? Another thing, look, stop talking. Listen, okay? Your pencil cannot move up or down, or it's not going to make good circles. So you might have to do this really cool, innovative thing called taping it if your pencil moves too much, okay? Sorry if it does. These are not super expensive. I don't want to say the word cheap, but I mean, they are what they are, okay? Cool? So, with your compass, now here's me doing it on the board. I'm actually not going to draw it, but like, here's what you do. You make whatever size you want. You hold it down, make a circle, and then come over here, same size, put it down, twirl it around, make your second circle. You do it. I don't need to do it for you. You do it, okay? Hopefully you already did, and did you write a holiday for Monday? Okay, hopefully you did that. I'm going to pass something out to you, and I'm going to explain it. I need you to stay with me. Don't put headphones in. Don't check out. I need you to hear what I'm about to say. Give me 1 second. After, yes, when you tighten those compasses, do not tighten them too much. Okay, because if you over tighten them, they'll won't work again. All right, everybody. All right. Look right here. Listen, look, you can listen. Everyone's looking at me. Look at me. Look. Okay. Looking is with your eyes. Look over here, okay? Now, 6 years ago, probably most of y'all were in elementary school, right? 6 years ago, I was teaching this stuff, okay? That's what I've been doing this for a while. 6 years ago, I recorded a video of myself teaching this stuff. And I'm blessing y'all with those videos. Now, here's the deal. The reason why this week is going to be video-based is because for those of y'all who are not passing, okay, 60s make me look bad, okay? Your grades are my grades. So I got to do this. Ready? Some of y'all, I got to do a little extra motivation to get across the finish line. So that's what we're going to be working on this week. Please get your grade passing. Your priority this week is not what I'm holding in my hand. Everyone, if you are not passing, your priority is to get passing this week, okay? I'm going to talk to you on how to do that if you're not passing right now in a minute. But look, this is what you're doing this week, okay? Look, let's count how many pages. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. How many days in this week now that Monday's gone? Including today, 4, right? That's a page a day. Every page, if you look at it, has a link at the top with a little QR code, okay? I want you to not rush through this, okay? Take your time. Do 1 a day, okay? If you want to do 2 a day because you have time, that's fine. But this is very important. Is everyone listening? Do not do this yet until you're passing. But this is a grade. I'll say it again. This is a grade. I'll say it one more time. This is a grade for the second 9 weeks, okay? So it can't help you this 9 weeks, okay? Don't think this is going to save me at the last second for my first 9 weeks grade. Okay, so if you never do this, you're going to start with the 0 for the second 9 weeks, but that's better than failing the first 9 weeks. You got to do the first 9 weeks first. Okay, you know, maybe if you work really hard and get passing, maybe I'll forgive this one. Okay, but the main thing you got to do is get your first 9 weeks passing, then you can work on this. Now, how do you do this? You're going to have to watch the video. I know some of us are going to try to just like take a shortcut and cheat your way through this. Okay, if you read this, it tells you every step I'm looking for. If you think you can just draw a line and, oh, I did it, I'm telling you, it shows me every mark you're supposed to make. I've been doing this for a long time. If you're trying to finesse me by pretending to do this freehand, I'm the unfinessable. I've seen it all, okay? I've been doing this since y'all were in elementary school, remember? 6 years ago was the video I made for this. So please, very important, just follow the video, follow the steps, just do it right, please, okay? That's what I'm asking you to do. But you don't have to rush. You got all week to do this and all next 9 weeks to do it. You know what? You got plenty of time. But what you don't have time for is the first 9 weeks grade. You got to get passing. So if you're not passing, I'm going to be talking to you one-on-one, encouraging you, telling you what your plan is and how to get passing. But everything is due Friday. Does everyone understand what we're doing this week and what the priority is? Priority is to pass my class for this 9 weeks and then work on this packet day by day, okay? Don't sweat it, but definitely work on it. Are we good on what the expectations are? If your compass is kind of wonky, you can switch it out, or you can tighten it up with the screwdriver, or tape the pencil, whatever you got to do, okay? That's the plan. Let's do it.